Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lauren Newman and I am the Marketing Communications Manager at OHI. And OHI is a design build firm located in Elk Grove Village, family owned. And today we are going to be showing you one of our kitchen remodeling projects in Arlington Heights. Before we remodeled this space, the kitchen was completely closed off from the living room. Also, they had very limited counter space as well as storage space within the kitchen. And they had an awkward peninsula that was in the middle of the kitchen that completely isolated the eating area from the rest of the space, kind of creating a dead area, if you will. Also, they had a single door with a small standard window within the door, and in the after, we brightened up this space, and let me show you more. Now, as you can see, we completely opened up this space, and the homeowners wanted to remodel this space because they knew they were going to raise their family here. And that's what motivated them to take the next step, to reach out to us and start the design process with one of our designers. Also, they wanted to make sure that everything had a place. So I'll show you that a little bit closer. Now, starting here with the island, they went with this navy blue color, and this is by Sorrento. Another thing the designer did here, instead of just leaving this really simple, she added this beautiful end paneling to kind of give it a little extra design element throughout the space. Also, the designer was sure to include these convenient outlets because you can never have too many. Then moving up here, we have this huge island, again, which was relocated into the center of this space. So not only did that provide a ton of storage, but look how many people can sit at this island. So the homeowners have a family and they love to entertain, so this solves a lot of problems that they were experiencing before. Now moving over here down to the cabinets here, they went with all of these drawers here to add a ton of storage. And they also went with these honey gold pulls. And I love the contrast that gives. It's really beautiful. And then making our way down here, we replaced the sink, and the sink probably became 3 times larger than it was before. And then also, the homeowners went with this matte black faucet, as well as this matte black hot water dispenser. And matte black is a trend that we are seeing a lot of. A lot of people are requesting that from us, and it is something that we are really enjoying incorporating in designs. Really gives it a nice modern look. Before we move on from the island, I want to make sure that we point out these beautiful light fixtures that the homeowners went with. The designer really wanted to give it a mid-century modern flair, and these lights paired with the matte black faucet do just that. Then moving on to the exterior perimeter cabinets. Here, these are actually a distant gray shade. So they're not quite white. Even though they look white, they have a little tint of gray within them. And these cabinets have great features. They add these pullouts right here. And look how much space they got just on this one pullout. Look how much stuff that they can fit on just this one pullout. And they have 5. Pretty great. One thing I have to point out is one of the homeowners' favorite part is that soft close. It's the little things in life that we love. The homeowners also went with these stainless steel appliances, and I really love the mixing of the metals between that and the honey gold hardware. Gives this space some character. Now making our way around here. Here on these perimeter cabinets, to complement the gold pulls, they also went with these gold knobs. Really modern, really sleek, but still gives it a nice pop of color, which is I really like. Here they went with this subway tile backsplash, And subway tile, it's smooth, it's easy to clean, it's a classic. And then to go with the sleek contemporary look, they went with this really nice simple hood, really modern, pulling in the rest of the design of the space. And then to couple it, they went with this really simple cooktop as well. Now here I have to point out, look at how large this drawer is. The homeowner is probably my height, so being able to access things is so important. And to do it with ease makes your life that much more easy. They had a stool that was permanently in their kitchen, and that stool was there until we started redoing their space. So now the homeowner is able to access things with ease, and even her children can get their own plates, and it makes things a lot easier here. Also, we added this beautiful under cabinetry lighting, and what this does is not only is it gives you light when you're doing tasks, when you're chopping things and whatnot, but it also features the design of your space. So it serves a couple purposes. Another really neat thing that the designer included here, so behind these cabinet doors is their microwave. I think that is so unique. It's not something that you see a lot, but when you want to use it, it's there, and when you're done, you simply just close those cabinet doors up. Now, a really special part of this space, we expanded into the living room here when we removed the wall. And this is the husband's favorite part of the home. This is their bar area, and we completely added this in. Again, they love to entertain, so being able to incorporate this within the space was really, really important to the homeowners. Everything has a spot now. The homeowners love wine, so now they have this awesome storage up here. Also, the designer was sure to include this shelf here, and what this shelf does is it gives them a place to display their decorative accent pieces, and it's under light, so it beautifully illuminates those pieces and gives them almost like a spotlight. And then my favorite part of this whole kitchen is this beautiful, striking glazio tile backsplash. It's geometric in shape, it gives the space some dimension, some depth, and it's just enough to give the kitchen an extra pop that it needs. And then of course down here we had to make sure that the homeowners had easy access to all of their beverages, so they added this beverage refrigerator here. And then not only is this a bar, but it's also a coffee bar. When the homeowners want some coffee, they simply open the cabinet door and put their coffee cup in there, their K-cup, and they brew away. Makes it really easy in the morning when they want to get that early jump start, and when it's time to entertain, they simply close that door. The homeowners are thrilled with the outcome of this space. We actually finished remodeling this space in, I want to say, early February, and the homeowners were able to enjoy it the whole time. When, now that we're all in our homes now, luckily they redid their space before all that happened, so now they can enjoy the space, they can entertain when people are coming over, and when their kids are homeschooling now, they have all this space for them to have their stations. They can plug in their tablets and their laptops when they're working from home or when they're learning from home. Also, if you're ready to take the next step, we offer completely free, no obligation design consultations at your home. And one of our designers will go out to your home, talk to you about your wants, your needs, and what you envision for your space. If you are ready to take the next step, the designer will talk to you about the details from there. And if you're not quite ready, we have a giant showroom in Elk Grove Village. It is a complete one-stop shop with endless inspiration of any item you could possibly need for your space. Thank you so much for joining me. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Thank you.